In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms to create tasks in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your team project in Asana where you want the new tasks to be generated. So go ahead and locate the project you're working on. This is the starting point for setting up your form. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see a button that says Customize. Click on that and it will open a menu of options for you. From this customization menu, go ahead and find the option labeled Forms. Once you see it, click on that and then look for the Add button. This will take you to the form editor where all the magic happens. At this point, the form editor window will pop up and you might notice some default input fields already there. If you do, you'll want to get rid of them to start from scratch. So go ahead and delete those pre-populated fields and get yourself a clean slate to work with. Now let's create your first question that will actually allow you to generate a task title. Click on the New Question button, which should be easy to spot, and type in a prompt like Enter Task Name. This question becomes essential as it will serve as the input for the titles of the tasks generated later on. Once you've created the task name question, it's time to link it to the task titles. Over on the left, you'll find the Settings tab. Click on that, and then locate the drop-down menu that says Select a field for task titles. In that menu, select the question you just created, which is Enter Task Name. Now this question is tied to the title of the tasks that will be created through this form. After setting up the title, you might want to gather more information through additional questions. You can either use pre-built templates available on the left panel or go ahead and create custom questions. These could be anything from deadlines to priority levels that will help you in managing the tasks effectively. Now, let's connect these fields to your project's columns. To do this, click on Fields within the form editor and check the boxes corresponding to any specific columns you want to link. This will ensure that when the form is filled out, it automatically populates the relevant information in your project table. Once you've added all your questions, it's time for the exciting part, publishing your form. So take a moment to review your setup for clarity and functionality. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on the Publish button to finalize the form. You'll receive a shareable link that you can distribute to your team. Finally, let's test the workflow to ensure everything is working as planned. Copy that form link, fill it out like a regular user would, and submit it. Then head back to your project to verify that a new task appears just as you configured. And there you have it. Using forms to create tasks in Asana is a great way to streamline your project management. If you found this helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.